The best foods to eat to lose belly fat. Losing weight and belly fat can be difficult. Finding natural ways to lose weight can be even more difficult, especially with commercials advertising pills and fads that claim to help people lose extra weight with no effort. There has been research done on the best foods to eat to lose belly fat. Fortunately, people can lose belly fat easy and naturally by following a simple strategy for weight loss. Get enough water. Water is vital for weight loss because it hydrates your internal organs and body systems. The endocrine system, for example, regulates metabolism when the endocrine glands are hydrated. They work properly, causing your metabolism to speed up. When makes weight loss easier, drink at least 64 ounces of water per day to ensure that your metabolism is working at maximum capacity. Although juice, soda, and milk contain a percentage of water, only consume pure water to count as your required fluid intake. Avoid sodas completely because they typically contain sugar. Empty calories are artificial sugars that do not hydrate the body and can hinder weight loss. Eat right. The American diet is saturated with unhealthy foods that are high in sugar, salt, and fats, which adds to the increase in obesity. If you are serious about losing the weight and belly fat, replace processed and packaged foods with fresh foods like fruit, vegetables, and lean meats and whole grains like oats. These foods give you more energy and keep your body nourished. They also help your body burn off any excess fat and calories. Do your grocery shopping along the perimeter of the store, which typically contains produce and meats, and avoid the sections that offer packaged foods. Get physically fit. Losing weight is easier when physical fitness and exercise are involved. When your body moves, calories are burned. A regular exercise plan, such as working out 30 minutes per day, helps your body to burn off any excess calories and fat. Participate in an exercise program that will get your heart rate up and build lean muscle mass, such as running, walking, swimming, or biking. If you select an exercise you enjoy, you will be more likely to stick with it. Begin by working out 3 times per week and gradually increase your frequency to every day. Listen to your body. If you feel that you should slow down or that you can safely push yourself further in your exercise, then do so. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and share.